Okay, so just to show you the split relay charger in action, I will check my current voltage in my batteries. There's nothing connected at this stage. The isolator around here is turned off, so there's no possibility of charge coming from the van back to these leisure batteries. And as you can see, the light on the little split relay charger is off. So if I just check my voltage, you can see it's 12.2, so the batteries are pretty low in charge at the minute. I will also show you, if I turn on this little isolator at the minute, the van power is turned off. So if I turn on this isolator, it turns the electrics on in the van, and you can see the reading here is showing 11.912, so it's slightly different, but that's to be expected. Yeah, it's a slight difference. So now what I'll do is turn on the isolator. It's the broken key, which doesn't help. Now I think you heard a click, which means the split relay charger has just activated, so the charge is now coming from the van back into the leisure batteries. So if we check the voltage at this point, you can see it's now jumped up to 13.3, which indicates the battery is charging. I can also show you here. Okay, so that is how the split relay works, and again, if I just turn it off, we can keep an eye on it. So it's currently on, so the batteries are currently charging, and let's assume our vehicle battery drops below a certain voltage, which is when the split relay kicks in, or if the van is off, for example. So I'm knocking that off. Isolator is now off, so it just takes a few seconds. Yep, and there we go, our split relay charger is off. So now our batteries are completely running independently. And just to verify, our voltage has dropped back down to 12.2. So that is the split relay charger in action.